Are you tired of paying hefty fees for online platforms? What if I told you there's a way to unlock endless profits without spending a dime? Welcome to our Skoolify review, where we reveal how you can start earning big with zero upfront costs. Traditional platforms charge up to $90 monthly, but Skoolify changes the game with its unique affiliate system. Stay tuned as we uncover how you can generate recurring commissions and achieve financial freedom effortlessly. Imagine joining a platform where you don't pay, but get paid. Skoolify's system makes it possible. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to these success stories from real Skoolify users inside who have transformed their lives. With Skoolify, you get no upfront costs, recurring commissions, and a community of like-minded individuals. It's simple. Join Skoolify, promote, and start earning commissions. Watch how easy it is to get started inside. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to start your Skoolify journey today and unlock endless profit without spending a dime. Subscribe for more insider tips and watch your earnings soar with Skoolify. Your profit journey starts now. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and join the financial revolution with Skoolify by clicking the link in the description.